what Bloomfield makes, the buying experience and overall quality is very good. We already knew about Bloomfield because they had one nearby in McKinney, and my friend already knew Francis. So he suggested, okay, we went to their housewarming, and then from there, he actually referred us, and we liked the model, the Violet.
So we looked only 2 floor plans, like Violet and these were the 2 model homes available. For our requirements, the Violet 4 was best fitted. So we liked it.
Because we wanted 2 bedrooms in the downstairs, and we wanted a media room, game room.
So I wanted an office room in the downstairs. That is a minor thing which I wanted in my home, which is not there in Violet 4 plan. But overall, it's good because we have 5 bedrooms. We made 1 bedroom as an office room. Yeah.
It was just the foundation was done and the framing was halfway.
We saw our home built in front of our eyes, yeah.
So most of the time it was Francis who was giving us the updates with photos and everything. And then because we used to stay nearby, so almost every week we used to come and visit. Okay, so we got like weekly updates through email, and personally also we checked. And then Ryan was the one who was helping us as a builder. Bloomfield did not leave us just at the point of sale.
Correct.
So Francis kept following up. Okay,
yes.
A simple hi, hello, smile. Okay, everything actually matters, right? So it's not like that once the sale is done, they are leaving you. No, they are here to support you for a longer term.
Overall, the experience was really good. The process was smooth. I would definitely suggest someone who is buying a Bloomfield, definitely go for it. And definitely Painted Tree community, and Frances as a marketing manager was really, I am so satisfied I'm mentioning her name again and again because we never faced any issue, and when we talked to other people who had bought some other builder's home and their marketing manager was not that great, so we feel we are blessed to have Frances. Yeah.
Or Brandon for that matter, he's not here,
yes.
but he supports us.
Yes.
Ryan, or I'm forgetting the name of others.
Yeah.
Okay. Always smile on the face. Whenever we come, they are here to help.
And very lively community this is. And we feel so positive in our home. There is no a single day in the last 1 year that we felt, oh, why did we choose this community or why did we choose this house? We are so happy. My kid is very happy. So yeah, overall, we are very, very blessed to be in this community.